Good morning, class. How was your day, class? Great, mine too. Welcome back. Here we are. Whoa, my marker just broke. 13-2, part 2. Piece of cake, super simple lesson. We're just doing a little quick check, 5 questions, and it's all basically the same stuff. We're going to do a little bit of, oh, my cat's in the video. I say hello. Hello to Cash. Hello. Equivalent fractions, number lines, we're going to kind of put them together. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's pretty easy stuff. Well, thanks for tuning in if you're tuning in, and let's have an awesome day. No school Monday. Enjoy a nice weekend off. So this is the last math assignment of the week. All right. Let's start off with our twos. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Let's go threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Now we don't count anymore. 33, 36, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Now we have 44, 48. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 6, 12, 18. 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 7s, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63. Now we know them as well as here. 70, 77, 84. Do you know, one time I was told by a student in my class that I had the voice of an angel. I think she was messing with me, but I'll take it. 8 and 8 are 16, 24 and 32, 40, 48, 56, 64 and 72, 80, 88, 96, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110, 121, 132. And 12s, let's go 12s. How about we'll put this one out there to my friend Simone. Hope all is well, kiddo. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132 here, 144 there. Here's a 12, there's a 12. Now we know where times 12s. Old Mick had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And just a quick story for the kids in my class. I think this will crack you up. I had, so I've been having Carter do with his math work. He's doing like pretty easy math, like kindergarten adding, you know. And so I started doing fast facts with him. So we started with 5 minutes and 4 minutes and 3 minutes. And yesterday I got him real good. I got the 2 minutes, and he jumped. He almost fell out of his seat. It was so funny. I had a good crack, and I was telling him how I used to do that to you guys. Well, anyway, let me show you what we're doing today. Piece of cake, no problem. So check this out. The first couple questions are going to give you number lines, right? And they're going to say, like, can you find lines that are equivalent? So what you're doing is you're looking for spots on the number lines that are the same. So for example, if I looked here, I could see 1/4. And if I looked straight down, you see how 1/4 is the same as 2/8? It's like in the same spot right there. So they would be the same. Now, if I wanted to double check, I could just cross multiply. 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 is 8. So they are an equal pair, right? Or if I wanted to say, okay, what about this? 1/2, which ones are the same as 1/2? It looks like 2/4, right? Right in that same spot. Or 4/8 looks like it's right in the same spot. And now if I wanted to check, I could check. And check this out. You want to see something cool? 1/2, 2/4, 4/8. I could do like a triple cross multiply. This is like they do in 6th grade, right? Watch. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So those work, right? Or check this out. 2 times 8 is 8 and 8 are 16. And 4 times 4, 4, 8, 12. 16. So 16 equals 16. So those work too. And now check this out. What if I said, what is an equal fraction to 3/4? Do you see any on there? Just look down. See right there. 6/8 would line up in the same spot. So you're just looking straight down, line them up. Okay? And then the other type of questions that you would see on a state test or a regular fraction test, are no picture, and they'll just say 2/3 equals what? And there's two strategies for this. There's the guess strategy, where you just pick one. Not a good strategy. 1 in 4 chance of getting it right. Or the strategy that I use is I just cross multiply each one until I find the one that is the same. That's it. So even though it's one problem, it's really could be 4 if the answer would be D. So here's what I do. Let me show you. So again, in today's lesson, piece of scrap paper, super helpful. Watch. 2/3 equals, so what I do is just say, okay, 2/3 equals 1/2. Let's see. 1 times 3, 3. 2 times 2, 4. Nah, 4 is not the same as 3. Okay, 2/3 and 1/3. Now I don't know how 2/3 could be the same as 1/3, but just to prove it, 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Nah. Okay, 4/6, right next to it. 4 times 3, 4, 8, 12. 2 times 6, 6, 12. 12 is 12. You're good. We got our answer, right? And now some of you guys are probably getting better at this, where you're not even needing to use the scrap paper anymore, or you're just not even writing it down. You're saying 4 times 3 is 12, 2 times 6 is 12. That's cool too. Don't matter to me. All right. 3/4 equals blank. Same thing, right? Which one is the same as it? In your head, you're not going to be able to just know these. I mean, I've been doing this for 16 years, and I don't always just right away know it. I have to kind of figure it out and make sure and prove it. So watch. 3/4. I'll just cross multiply. 4 times 4, 4, 8, 12, 16. 6 times 3, 6, 12, 18. You see how it's 18 and 16? That means it's like a close fraction because it's close, but no go. All right, let's try B. 6/8. 6 times 4, let's go by 6. 6, 12, 18, 24. 3 times 8. 8 and 8 are 16, 24. Ooh, I got it. I love when the answer is A or B, and then I'm good. And then just to make sure that some of you all are paying attention, they invented this thing called a not question. So it's like the opposite, right? So which is not equal to 1/2. And just a heads up, the half questions are the easiest because it's like double. So watch, 2/4, 3, 6. It's like double. 5/10, 7, 14. It's like the first two of all the songs, right? 8 and 8 are 16, right? 9, 18, 2, 4. So that's how you can tell half really easily. So if you did it that way, you could see 3, 6, it's double. 4, 8, it's double. 2/3, no, that's not going to be my answer. But just to teach you the right way, I would cross multiply, right? 3 times 2, 6. 1 times 6, 6. Equal, but it's a not question, right? So that's, even though it's right, it's wrong, right? 4 times 2, 8. 1 times 8, 8. Even though it's right, it's wrong. 2/3 and 1/2. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 is not equal to 4. So we're actually looking for the wrong answer this time. So that is going to be it. Right? So anyway, enjoy, right? Get your work done early today. Rock out. Enjoy your weekend. get hopefully you and your family doing some barbecues or something cool, right? Proud to be an American, right? All our stuff here. You guys rock out. Enjoy Monday, and I'll see you guys again Tuesday. Stay safe, and always a pleasure. Talk to you soon.